In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change from Wix Editor to Wix Studio. If you've been using Wix for a while, you might have come across their traditional editor, which is a robust tool for creating and managing your website. However, with the introduction of Wix Studio, you get access to a more advanced suite of tools tailored for a creative and professional experience. Let's dive into the process of making this transition seamless and straightforward. First, you'll want to head over to the Wix Studio homepage. This is your starting point for accessing the new creative capabilities offered by Wix Studio. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Wix Studio. If you're not already familiar with their homepage layout, don't worry. Wix ensures that navigation is smooth and user-friendly. Next, you'll need to log in with your existing Wix credentials. Whether you've been using Wix for months or just signed up, enter the username and password linked with your account. This will grant you access to all the functionalities associated with your profile. Now, if you encounter any trouble signing in, such as a forgotten password, Wix provides straightforward instructions for resetting it. So, make sure your login details are current and accessible. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage layout. Here's where you'll find the option labeled Start Creating. Try Wix Studio. Clicking on this will activate the Studio workspace under your account. This step is crucial as it transitions you from the traditional editor environment to the enhanced capabilities of Wix Studio. If you don't immediately see this option, ensure that your account is updated, or consider checking out any onboarding trails provided by Wix to guide new users through the initial setup. The final highlight of this transition process is that you can now create entirely new sites using the Studio editor. This essentially opens up a new pathway for website creation where enhanced design elements and tools await your creative input. As you enter Wix Studio, take some time to explore its new features, like responsive design control, advanced code integration possibilities, and an improved user interface designed for both beginners and seasoned developers. These tools can significantly elevate your web building process, offering a myriad of customization options that weren't available in the standard Wix editor. Overall, changing from Wix Editor to Wix Studio is a strategic move for anyone looking to leverage their website development experience. By accessing the Wix Studio homepage, logging in to enable the new workspace, and utilizing the new editor for site creation, you're setting up an evolved web environment poised to showcase your vision in vibrant and engaging ways. If you encounter any challenges along the way, Wix offers comprehensive support resources and a community ready to assist. Enjoy the enhanced design experience of Wix Studio and happy site building.